when we wait for some time to drink hot coffee, then the temperature of the hot coffee will reduces up to some extent. So in at that time we can drink that coffee easily. Okay, so here in these applications of differential equations first order and first degree, we are having three applications. One is Newton's law of cooling, Newton's law of cooling. And the second one is law of natural growth or decay. Growth or decay. So we'll see later what is this law of natural growth or decay. First, we will finish what is this Newton's law of cooling. Already you learned this concept in your intermediate also, but still here you may learn something little bit different case. Okay, not that much of different. Everything will be like our what you learned in your intermediate. Okay, so that Newton's law of cooling, that is the first concept. First and foremost, I'm taking here, I'm giving some gap to write the statement. I'm taking here, let theta be the temperature of the body. That means hot water or hot coffee, what we are treating. Okay, what is the theta? Temperature of body. I'm taking one more variable, which is theta naught. Theta naught is the temperature of surrounding medium. Temperature of surrounding medium. What is the temperature of surrounding medium means? Whenever if we want to cool some coffee or tea, then we are keeping some time in the air only. So what is the surrounding temperature, surrounding medium? Air. For example, if we dip that coffee or tea in some water and rotating the glass, then what is the surrounding medium? Water. Okay, the temperature of the water or the temperature of the air we are treating as theta naught. Okay, what is the Newton's law of cooling? The statement of Newton's law of cooling is the rate of temperature of body is directly proportional to difference between temperature of body and temperature of surrounding medium. This is a statement. Temperature of surrounding medium. This is a statement of Newton's law of cooling. Okay, sometimes they will ask for 2 marks, write the statement of Newton's law of cooling. In that case, you have to write the rate of temperature of the rate of change of, sorry, I forgot, the rate of change of temperature of body is directly proportional to difference between the temperature of body and the temperature of surrounding medium. Okay, so using this statement, what we can say here, rate of change of temperature of the body. What is the temperature of the body? Denotes with the theta. The rate of change of temperature of the body is nothing but d theta by dt is directly proportional to difference between the temperature of the body and surrounding medium. It is nothing but theta minus theta naught. We can say that. But how can we remove the proportional here? When we multiply right hand side with some proportionality constant. So That I am taking as d theta by dt is equals to minus k into theta minus theta naught. I'll tell you later why we have to multiply with the minus k. Why can't we multiply with plus k? So better I'll write with a different color, then you can understand. Okay, so minus k, where k is proportionality constant, where k is proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. Here I can tell you in a simple manner, minus k, we have to take minus k only because of what is the concept name? Newton's law of cooling. Cooling is nothing but temperature is reducing. Whenever a value is reducing, we have to multiply with the minus k. Now if we observe, this is the differential equation. What is the order of this differential equation? 1. What is the degree of the differential equation? 1. So it is a first order, first degree differential equation in terms of what are the variables? Dependent variable is theta and t is the independent variable. So we need to find the solution of this differential equation, which is a first order, first degree. Okay. So taking this as equation number 1 is a first order, first degree ODE. First order and first degree ODE. Now we need which variables in terms of what are the variables are available? Theta and t. So now we need to find the solution for this. For finding the solution, what about theta naught? Constant, because surrounding temperature will be constant. Whenever we want to cool a hot coffee, how much time we will wait? Just we'll wait for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. How much temperature will be there in the surrounding medium? The same temperature will be there in the 2 minutes. The temperature will change in for every 5 seconds or 10 seconds like that? No, it will not change. Okay, so because of that reason, the surrounding temperature theta naught will be constant, and already we discussed k is a proportionality constant. Here we mentioned. Okay, so with that we can do like this. I'm doing cross product. D theta is equals to minus k into theta minus theta naught into dt. So here, because of now you check what is the left hand side variable is available. Which variable is available? Theta. Right hand side, which variable is available? Theta and t. So because of that reason, what I'm going to do is I'll bring this theta minus theta also to left hand side. So I'm writing with a different color, theta minus theta naught, and right hand side what we are going to get? Simply dt. So now you check, left hand side we are having only theta variable, right hand side we have only t variable. Then what we can say? By using variable separable method, what we can do? What we can do?
Apply integration on both sides.
Integration on both sides.
By using variable separable method, apply integration on both sides. Apply integration on both sides. When we apply integration on both sides, what we are going to get after doing integration? We'll get again integrating constant plus c. So integration of 1 by theta minus theta naught into d theta is equals to minus k into integration of dt. So what we can get? What is the left hand side integration value is? What is the left hand side
Log
integration?
theta, log
Of theta minus
t naught.
theta naught. Okay, log of theta minus theta naught, and right hand side minus k into dt. Okay, sorry, not dt. In place of dt, what we'll get? Integration of dt is t. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this like this. I'm going to write the right hand side part like, okay, this equation like this. Log x equals to y, then x equals to e power y. So theta minus theta naught equals to what we can write, exponential of minus kt. Now I'm going to add with the c plus c. What is the c here? Integrating constant, or after arbitrary constant after doing integration, where c is, it is also constant, an integrating constant. Integrating constant. So now what I'm going to do is, initially the temperature of the body will be theta 1. I'm just assuming that if initially theta equals to theta 1b, temperature of body, then initially means what is the time t? What is the time t? Indirectly, what is time t? That is
0.
at t equals to 0. At t equals to 0. So t is given, theta equals to theta 1 is given. Then if we substitute, okay, taking it as equation number 2. Okay, is it I used? Yes, used equation 1, equation 2. Substituting equation number 2, then equation 2 becomes, not becomes, we cannot say as equation 2 becomes, substitute in equation 2. When we substitute in equation number 2, what is the theta value? Theta 1 minus theta naught, already we know, e power minus k into, what is the t value? 0 plus c. So what we will get? What we can get?
C is equals to theta
Wait,
minus
C
log of t.
plus 1.
Wait, students.
E power 0.
Wait, students. I made a small mistake here. What we have to do is, we have to add with the plus log c. Plus log c. Okay, where c is arbitrary constant as it is, same. I made small mistake. Okay, so where c is arbitrary constant. Now what we can do here, can I bring a left hand side, right hand side, what is the log c is there? Can I bring it to right hand side? Sorry, right hand side log c, can I bring to left hand side? What is going to become? It's going to become log of
Log theta minus theta naught by
minus
c.
theta naught minus log c is equals to minus kt. Now in the next step, what we have to do is, log a minus log b is there. We have to treat as log a minus log b is there. Log a minus log b is there. What is the log a minus log b? Log a by b. Log of theta minus theta naught by c is equals to minus kt. Now use log x is equals to y, then x is equals to e power y, nothing but e power minus kt. Now we can write this is as c also taken to right hand side. So we'll get theta minus theta naught is equals to c into e power minus kt. This is our equation number 2. Now I'm doing the same thing. Initially, if theta equals to theta 1, at the time of temperature, t is equals to 0, substitute in this, then what we are going to get? We are going to get, this is c into e power minus k into 0. So theta 1 minus theta naught equals to how much we'll get finally? C into e power 0 is 1. So finally c. So replace c value in equation 2. Replace c value in equation 2. Okay. Then equation 2 becomes, becomes, that implies theta minus theta naught is equals to C. What is the C value? Theta 1 minus theta naught into, what is that? E power minus kt. So finally, what we can say with this, theta is equals to, I'm taking minus theta naught also to right hand side, it will become theta naught plus theta 1 minus theta naught into e power minus kt. This is the formula of what is the theta? Temperature of body. This is the formula. But here, okay, I'm writing it as a is temperature of body at any time t, at any time t. This is the general procedure. When they ask for 2 marks, what is the formula for finding temperature of the body at any time t using Newton's law of cooling? Then you have to write this. But in problems, we are going to do in a different manner. I will tell you easily how to do it in problems easily. Okay, so I am taking a problem. All of you note down fastly. Problem number 1. If the temperature of a body is changing from 100 degrees centigrade to, all of you write down, 100 degrees centigrade to 70 degrees centigrade in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Find when okay, find not when, find temperature of a body after 20 minutes, and also find I'm giving both the questions at a time, and also find when will be, okay, when the temperature will be okay, temperature of body will be 40 degrees centigrade. 40 degrees centigrade. Given, or if the temperature of air is 30 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees centigrade. So this is a problem. So first, for the concept of Newton's law of cooling, law of natural growth and decay, first we have to form a rough work here. That rough work should be, what is the temperature? Okay, what is the time t? What is the temperature of the body? What is the theta naught value? What is the theta naught value they provided us? Okay, otherwise read the problem carefully.
30.
If the temperature of the body is changing from 100 degrees to 70 degrees in 15 minutes. So initially, what is the temperature of the body? 100 degrees centigrade. And what is the temperature of the, what is the time t? Initially means, what is the time t? 0. Okay. Now, it's reduced to 70 degrees centigrade. How much time it took to reduce? 15 minutes. What's the time t? 15 minutes. What they're asking us in the problem, find the temperature of a body after 20 minutes. So what is the temperature of the body? That means theta value we don't know. We need to find the theta value after 20 minutes. Okay, and also find when will be the 40 degrees centigrade. That means we need to find the time t, and they provided 40 degrees centigrade is the temperature of the body, and provided here theta naught. That means if the temperature of air is 30 degrees centigrade, this theta naught value is given. So this everything is rough work, but using this rough work only we are going to finish our problem. Which, okay, now is it they mention use Newton's law of cooling anywhere in the problem? No, they did not mention, but still we have to identify that we have to use Newton's law of cooling only. How to identify? By seeing the problem, that we cannot identify, but using this rough work what we have written, you can identify easily. Now tell me, what is the temperature of the body? Is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. Only because of that reason we can identify that Newton's law of cooling, the temperature of the body is decreasing. So we have to identify that we have to use Newton's law of cooling. Okay, so solution: by Newton's law of cooling, what we can say? D theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta naught. This is using the statement, but what we got finally, okay, later d theta by dt is equals to minus k into theta minus theta naught. But don't do directly theta is equals to the formula. Okay, you must do this. So how to do this differential equation? How to find the solution of this differential equation? Writing bringing all the theta variables to left hand side and t variables to right hand side, minus k into dt. Then applying integration on both sides, then we will get integration of 1 by theta minus theta naught into d theta is equals to minus k into integration of dt. We will get here log of theta minus theta naught minus is equals to minus k into t plus log c. As we discussed, I am writing here direct step, bringing log c to left hand side, and then it will become as log of theta minus theta naught minus log c. So log a minus log b is log a by b form. I am writing directly is equals to minus kt, right hand side will be same. So using our log x equals to y form, then x equals to e power y, then we are writing it is as theta minus theta naught is equal by c is equals to e power minus kt, and from this theta minus theta naught is equals to c into e power minus kt. With this, theta is equals to theta naught plus c into e power minus kt. In each and every problem, you must write these steps. Taking here first equation. Now, what is the temperature of the body? Initially, T is 0, theta is equals to 100 degrees centigrade. So I am taking the first value. So students, it may take 3 to 4 minutes time. So I may take extra time. Okay. So T is equals to 0 and theta is equals to 100 degrees centigrade. Okay. I'm writing here. We mentioned if theta equals to theta 1 in the procedure, but here given theta is equals to how much? 100 degrees centigrade at t equals to 0 minutes. Now substitute in equation number 1. If we substitute in equation number 1, what is going to happen? 100 degrees centigrade is equals to 100 degrees is equals to, or 100 is equals to, what is going to happen? Theta naught. What is the theta naught value? and given temperature of air is theta naught equals to 30 degrees centigrade. So substitute it. 30 plus c into e power 0. Why? T value is 0. So finally what we'll get? 100 minus 30 is equals to c. That implies what is the c value? 70. We'll get it. So if we substitute this in equation number 1, equation 1 becomes, now be careful, the words which I am mentioning with red colors is important. So then equation 1 reduces to, or equation 1, okay, I am mentioning reduces to. So from here onwards, after completion of this substitution, we are not worrying about equation 1. We'll think about the next reduced equation only. Reduces to, what it's going to reduce? What is the left hand side part? Theta. We'll write as it is theta only. Theta is equals to theta naught. What is the theta naught? 30. It's a fix. Plus c. What is the c value? 70 into e power minus kt. This is our reduced equation. Now we, from here onwards, we'll think about equation number 2 only. What is the next value? I'm taking the next given data. What is the next given data? After 15 minutes, temperature of the body is 70 degrees centigrade. So given theta is equals to 70 degrees centigrade at t equals to 15 minutes. Yes or no? Substitute in equation number 2. 2 or 1? Forget about 1. Now equation 1 reduced to equation 2. Then we have to think about equation 2 only. Then what is going to happen? Theta, what is the value of theta? 70 is equals to 30 plus 70 into e power minus k into 15. Okay, so మనము theta naught left ఉంచితేనే బెస్ట్ ఏమో ప్రాబ్లంలోనే. I mean 70 minus 30 is equals to 70 into e power minus kt minus 15k. Okay, then on simplification what we'll get? 40. Can I bring this 70 to also to left hand side? What it's going to become? 40 by 70 is equals to, what is the right hand side? It will be same, e power minus 15k. So with this, what we can conclude? That implies minus 15k is equals to log of 40 by 70, or you can write 4 by 7. Don't go for decimal places. Then what is k? Minus 1 by 15 into log of 40 by 70. Now what we got? K value. Where I have to replace this k value? Where I have to replace this k value? In equation number 2. If we replace this in equation number 2, then equation 2 reduces to another equation. Okay, then equation 2 reduces to like this. So here left hand side is theta. Okay, that 30 also I am bringing to left hand side. Okay, itlane unchadam. Theta plus c. What is the c value? 70 into e power. Okay, not c is there. 70 only is there in equation 2. E power minus kt. E power minus, what is the, okay, t into, what is the k value? Minus 1 by 15 into log of 40 by 70. Then what we can get? 30 plus 70 into e power t by 15 into log of 40 by 70. This is theta. What is this equation number? We have to take as 3. So now, what is equation number 3? What are the variables in equation number 3? Check it out. We are having 2 variables. One is theta and the another one is t. I am writing with red color. Theta and t. If we know t, then can I get theta value? Yes. If we know theta, can I get t value? Yes. So check here. In the given in the given problem, they given the third point is, what is the third point they given to us? Here, t is given, then we need to find theta. Okay. Now we need to find theta at t equals to 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Okay. 20 minutes. So substitute this in equation number 3. Substitute t equals to 20 in equation 3. That implies theta is equals to 30 plus 70 into e power 20 by 15 into log of 40 by 70. But here we cannot do anything. So we try to do simplification like this. E power, what we can write here? 4 by 3. 4 by 3 into log of 40 by 70 or 4 by 7 you can mention. So it is like n log a. So what we can write? 30 plus 70 into exponential of log of, what we can write? 4 by 7 whole power 4 by 3. Yes or no? 4 by 7 whole power 4 by 3. So exponential and logarithm both are inverse operators. Then we can get 30 plus 70 into what we can get? 4 by 7 whole power 4 by 3. So check using your calculators. Firstly, $30 plus 70 into, better put brackets, into fraction power. So first something power, fraction, sorry. Here I am putting some
63, sir.
8 into fraction I am taking. Fraction is 4 by
63.1.
7 whole power 4 by 3 again fraction 4 by 3. So how much we are getting? 63.19. So theta value can we mention in the points? No. Therefore, temperature of a body at t equals to 20 minutes is theta is equals to 63 degrees centigrade. Completed one value. So it is approximately equals to 63. So we have to fix with 63. Don't go for 0.12. Now, what is the next point? Going to find when will be the temperature will be 40 degrees centigrade. So given what they given, theta is equals to 40 degrees centigrade at t equals to how much? This we need to find. So where we have to substitute these things also? Again, substitute in equation 3. Equation 3 is the main equation. That implies theta value 40 is equals to 30 plus 70 into e power t by 15 into log of 4 by 7. So you try to use simplifications. 40 minus 30 and bringing 70 also to left hand side will become by 70 because of that is in product e power t by 15 into log of 4 by 7. So we can write the left hand side part as 1 by 7, that is a 10 by 70 is 1 by 7 is equals to exponential of this part only will get t by 15 into log of 4 by 7. So exponential of x equals to y, e power x equals to y, that implies x equals to, we can write it as log y. Then we can write here log of 1 by 7 is equals to t by 15 into log of 4 by 7. So with this, what we can say, t is equals to 15 into log of 1 by 7 whole by log of 4 by 7. Then you can find the value of t. So using the calculator, if we find this, then we'll get, so numerator will be 15 into log of log. Which one we have to use here? Log to the base e or log to the base n? Log to the base n we have to use because e is there. Okay, so ln function we have to use ln of 1 by 7 inside the brackets, again 1 by 7. Denominator will be again ln of 4 by 7. 4 is the numerator, 7 is the denominator. Then if we calculate this, then we are getting 52.15. Okay, nothing but that is therefore temperature of the body will be 40 degrees centigrade at time t equals to 52 minutes. You can mention approximately, or if you want to convert it into seconds, 52 minutes 10 seconds approximately, approximate value. So this is the end of the problem. Okay, from the first data, that means here we have to form the rough work is very, very important. From the first data, we are able to find the integrating constant C value. From the second data, we are going to find the proportionality constant K value. And the next values are, from the next values, we can find if they provide T, we can get theta. If they provide theta, we can get T value. That's enough. Okay, so because of that reason, this rough work will play a very important role, because once read the problem carefully, and once if we prepare the rough work, then we will not check the problem, because while we read the problem and doing the problem, reading the problem and doing the problem, then we may miss few points. Because of that reason, I'm saying you please prepare a rough work like this and continue with it. Okay. So this is one problem I am giving for your practice. If the temperature of the air is 20 degrees centigrade and the temperature of the body drops from 100 degrees centigrade to 80 degrees centigrade in 10 minutes, that means what is the temperature of the what is the temperature of the body initially 100 degrees? That means time is 0. Okay, T is equals to 0 and theta is 100 degrees. And it drops in 10 minutes. That means T is equals to 10 and theta is equals to 80 degrees. Then what we need to find here, what will be its temperature after 25 minutes? So theta we need to find at T is equals to 25 minutes. Same manner, when will be the temperature of body is 50 degrees centigrade. That means we need to find T value at theta is equals to 50 degrees. And what is the surrounding temperature? What is the temperature of surrounding medium? They given surrounding medium is air. Air temperature is given 20 degrees centigrade. That means theta naught is equals to 20 degrees centigrade. Okay. Thank you. complete this problem. Now, here, if the surroundings are maintained at 80 degrees centigrade and the temperature of the body cools from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade in 12 minutes, then find the temperature of the body after 24 minutes. For this, what I mentioned, we have to write a rough work. Yes or no? So first, write this rough work. What is the value of T and what are the values of theta? What is the surrounding maintained at which temperature? 30 degrees centigrade. That means what they provided in the problem? They provided theta naught equals to 30 degrees centigrade. So now, initially, the temperature of the body is 80 degrees centigrade. It cools from 80 degrees centigrade to 60 degrees centigrade. So how much time it took to reduce to 60 degrees centigrade? 12 minutes. 12 minutes. So initially the temperature of the body is 80 degrees centigrade, nothing but initially the time T will be taken as 0 minutes. 0 minutes. Okay. Now we need to find the temperature of the body after 24 minutes. What is the value of theta after 24 minutes? 24 minutes. This value we need to find. Now, for that purpose, which method we have to use here? By checking the temperatures of the body is reducing. So we have to use Newton's law of cooling. We can understand easily by using the problem that temperatures are reducing means there is no option. Only one method we have to use. That is Newton's law of cooling. Okay. By using Newton's law of cooling, they did not mention in the problem, but still we are using it. Because of the temperature is reducing means we have to use the same. By using Newton's law of cooling, what we know? d theta by dt is directly proportional to theta minus theta naught. But here, what we have to do? We have to remove the proportionality. So we'll get d theta by dt is equals to minus k into y. Proportionality constant is theta, sorry, k. But here, why I'm taking minus theta, sorry, minus k? Because of, what is the reason? Because of the temperatures are reducing. So where k is proportionality constant. Proportionality constant. And here we need to find the solution for this. So writing the direct steps, because already we discussed it, d theta by theta minus theta naught is equals to minus k into dt. So applying integration on both sides, then we'll get integration of 1 by theta minus theta naught is equals to into d theta is equals to minus k into integration of dt. Okay, so log of theta minus theta naught is equals to minus k into integration of dt is t, okay, plus log c. Okay, so writing the direct step, bringing the log c to left hand side will become minus log c. So left hand side looks like a log of theta minus theta naught minus log c becomes as log a minus log b form. So log a by b. So a is theta minus theta naught and b is c is equals to minus kt. That implies what we can say, theta minus theta naught by c is equals to e power minus kt. And that implies theta minus theta naught is equals to c into e power minus kt. So taking this is as our equation number 1. Equation number 1. Now, what we have to do? What is the given data? I'm going to take a first data. What is the first data? T is equals to 0 minutes and theta is equals to 80 degrees. I'm going to take that. I'm going to substitute that other things here. So given temperature of body theta is equals to how much? 80 degrees centigrade. At time t equals to, what is the value of time t? 0 minutes. So substitute in equation number 2. Substitute, sorry, in equation number 1. Then we will get, what is the theta naught is given? And also given surrounding temperature and given surrounding temperature of surrounding medium theta naught is equals to how much is given? How much is given? 30 degrees centigrade. So these are the values going to substitute in equation number 1. That implies theta. What is the theta value? 80 degrees centigrade. What is the theta naught value? 30 degrees centigrade is equals to c into e power minus k into, what is the t value? 0. So we'll get finally 50 is equals to simply c. C value is 50. So what we have to do here? Replace c value in equation number 1. Okay. Then what is going to happen? Equation 1 reduces to writing here theta minus theta naught value is a fixed 30 c into, what is the c value? 50 into e power minus k. So this is our equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now, what is the next thing we need to do? We need to take what they provided to us. Okay, given temperature of body is how much? Is how much? Theta is equals to 60 degrees centigrade and sorry, at time t equals to, what is the time t? 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Okay, this is the thing. So what we have to do? Substitute this thing in equation number, which equation we have to substitute? In equation number 2. So substitute in equation 2. Actually, we need to substitute in equation 1, but in equation 1, we substituted the c value. So equation 1 reduces to like this. So we got the equation number 2. Substitute in equation 2. Which values we have to substitute? Theta value is 60 and t is equals to 12. Then what is going to become? That implies 60 minus 30 is equals to 15 to e power minus k into 12. Okay, with this, what we can get? Left hand side will be 30, right hand side will be the same. So minus 12k. Now, how I can write? E power minus 12k can be written as 30 by 50. Okay, but what is by 30 by 50 will be 3 by 5. But here, you know that e power x equals to y, then how we can write x? X is equals to log y to the base e actually it is. So using this point, how we can write this? Minus 12k is equals to, how much we can get it? Log of 3 by 5. 30 by 50 is nothing but 3 by 5. That implies I am finding only minus k value. Minus k equals to 1 by 12 into log of 3 by 5. This is minus k value. So what we have to do after finding k value? Substitute in equation number 2. Substitute in equation 2. Here also, while finding C, substitute in equation 1, then equation 1 reduces like this. Same manner, after substituting this in equation number 2, then equation 2 reduces to. That implies, what is equation number 2? Theta minus 30 is equals to, C value is 50. Yes or no? Check it out. Yes, 50 into e power minus k. What is the minus k value? 1 by 12 into log of 3 by 5 into t. But write that t as a prefactor only. Why? Sometimes you may feel it is as a post factor, then it is the coefficient inside the logarithm. So that for avoiding that confusions, write like this. So theta is equals to, taking 30 also to right hand side will become plus 30 plus 50 into e power t by 12 into log of 3 by 5 or 30 by 50. So this is equation number, this is equation number 3. Now we have to concentrate on this equation number 3 only. Now here we used first initial values, t value is 0 and theta value is 80 degrees. We got C. Then we used the second values, theta is 60 at a t is equals to 12 minutes. Then we got k value. That two are only the unknown variable. Now what we have to do? We have to find the theta value when t is equals to 24 minutes. So we need to find that, I'm writing as a small step. We need to find temperature of body at t is equals to 24 minutes. 24 minutes. Therefore, substitute in equation number 3. What we're going to get? That implies theta is equals to 30 plus 50 into e power. What is the t value? 24. So 24 by 12 into log of 3 power 5. Now here, if we do simplification, 30 plus 50 into exponential of 24 by 12, how much we'll get it? 2 log of 3 by 5 is equals to 30 plus 50 into exponential of, how it looks like, n log a. What is n value? 2. What is a value? 3 by 5. So n log a is log a power n. So it will become log of 3 by 5 whole square. What is the exponential of log? Nothing but we'll get simply 30 plus 50 into, what we'll get here? 3 by 5 whole square. So we'll get 30 plus 50 into 9 by 25. If we do simplification, what we'll get? 30 plus 18, 25 ones, 25 twos. So 30 plus 18 is how much we are getting finally?
48
degrees centigrade theta value. Therefore, what is the temperature of the body initially? 80 degrees. Okay.
80.
Here it is 80 degrees. But in 12 minutes, how much it is reducing to 60 degrees? So how much difference will be there? 20 degrees centigrade. Okay. But what we will expect, if we wait 12 more minutes, it may reduce to 40 degrees centigrade. Yes or no in general? That is the general psychology. But It is not going to happen actually. If you want, you can check it. Instead of 40 degrees centigrade, what is going to happen? 48 degrees centigrade. That means what is the difference of 48 degrees and 60 degrees is only 12 degrees centigrade, because the surrounding temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. If the surrounding temperature is also reducing or increasing fastly, then the temperature also of the body also will reduces fastly. Okay, this is one point. And one more point is, what is the question they asked us here? Read out. If the surroundings are maintained at 30 degrees centigrade, if the surroundings are maintained at 30 degrees centigrade and the temperature of the body is cools from 80 degrees to 60 degrees centigrade in 12 minutes, and find the temperature of the body after 24 minutes. If instead of they are giving the problem like this, I am changing a little bit here. The problem is like this. For example, reading the problem again, if the surroundings are maintained at 30 degrees centigrade and the temperature of the body initially at 80 degrees centigrade, and waited 12 minutes to reduce to 60 degrees centigrade, and wait again 24 minutes, then find the temperature of the body. Otherwise, if they are asking like this, find the temperature of the body if we wait 24 minutes more, then what we need to do? Theta values are, here I am writing, theta is equals, t value is 0, theta value is 80 degrees. It is correct. Okay. And same manner, waited 12 minutes. 12 minutes we waited. And what is the temperature? 60 degrees centigrade is also correct. But again, what is the temperature of the body if we wait 24 minutes more, or if we wait again 24 minutes? Then what is the t value here? Same 24 minutes will get, or anything else will get here? It is not 24 minutes. It will be 36 minutes, because we waited from 20 minutes to 24 minutes. 12 plus 24 is equals to 36 minutes. So if they're asking a question like this, waiting again 24 minutes like that, then you have to understand carefully by reading the problem. Is it clear, everybody? Why I took here it is 36 minutes instead of 24 minutes? Because they are mentioning the word waiting time. Okay. Now, one student asked, like in the chat box, sir, is it necessary to solve this total proof? Yes, it is mandatory. If I am saying not mandatory, then what you people will do? You will remember only this is a formula. Okay. This is a formula. But at the time of examination, there may be a chances you can not remember the formula exactly. So that it is mandatory to everybody. In every question, you do this one. Okay. So what is the final conclusion? Therefore, at time t equals to 24 minutes, the temperature of the body will be theta is equals to 48 degrees centigrade. Okay. So with this, what we can conclude, manam logical ga alochichi, sir, 12 minutes lo 20 degrees taggindi kada, inkoka 24 minutes appudu time kavali ante inkoka 12 minutes lo inkoka 20 degrees taggutadi kada anna concept kaadu. Okay, right? So any doubts? So now what they are giving is, a murder victim is discovered and a lieutenant from the forensic science laboratory is summoned to estimate the time of the death. Okay. So now what is going to happen is here, the body is located in a room, okay, and is kept at the constant temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit. That means what is this? Is 68 degrees Fahrenheit temperature of the surrounding medium. So what is the variable is given here indirectly? Theta naught value. The lieutenant arrived at what time that person came? Forensic department lieutenant, 9:40 p.m. and measured the body temperature as 94.4 degrees Fahrenheit. That means they came at 9:40 and identified as the temperature of the body is as 94.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And another measurement of the body at body temperature at 11 p.m. is 89.2 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the things they identified. So now what we need to do, we have to take our rough work as usual. Okay, so what is that rough work we have to take here? The rough work I am taking as, what is the theta naught value? 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
68.
Okay, and then we need to take a time t value and theta value, and here it is clock time.
Fahrenheit.
Sorry, it is degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Here I'm taking the clock time because they mentioned clock time. Here I'm taking t is simply time according to our procedure. Theta is nothing but temperature of the body. Temperature of body. Now tell me, at what time they came to measure the temperature? At
9:40
p.m. So 9:40 p.m. they came. When they came at 9:40, what is the temperature of the body identified as? 94.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and again they measured at 11 p.m. Okay, at 11 p.m. what is the temperature? Theta value 89.2 degrees Fahrenheit. That means in our previous problem we identified that we have taken as initially when they came, when we started testing the when we took the tea or coffee, it is as t value as 0. So we have to take here, what is the t value? Initially is nothing but this value is 0. Okay, this is 0 minutes I'm taking. Now if we take at 9:40 p.m. this is as a starting time 0 minutes. How much time we waited to get 11:40 p.m. sorry 11 p.m. 20 minutes.
80 minutes.
Total 80
minutes.
minutes we waited. So t value is 80 minutes. Okay, and what we need to find the estimated time of death. At what time that death happened? That is before 9:40. How to find this value? Because we require to find this t value. And what is the temperature of the body? What is the temperature of the body at the time of death?
98.
How much it will be? In general, at the time of death, 98.6. Some doctors may say 99 degrees is a normal temperature. Some doctors may say 98 is a normal. But if you check the thermometer, then you can identify that. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is the normal temperature of the human being. Okay, so forget about this column. We know the t value 0 and theta value. If we substitute these values in our Newton's law of cooling formula, what we will get? We can get c value. Okay, equation 1 we'll get. What is equation number 1? I'm writing here. Theta minus theta naught is equals to c into e power minus kt. You have to derive this You will get it is as equation number 1. Okay, substitute these starting values. Okay, substitute these values, 0 minutes T and theta is 94.4 degrees Fahrenheit in equation number 1. We'll get C value. C will be something. Then substitute that C value in that equation number 1. Then we'll get equation number, how much? Equation number 2 will get. Okay, after getting C value. In equation number 2, substitute these values. Which values? Second values they provided to us in the problem. T is equal to 80 minutes and theta is equal to 89.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we'll get which value? K value. After getting K value, then equation 2 also becomes as equation number 3. What is equation number 3 will be? In terms of theta and T. Okay. So here, what we need to find? What we need to find?
T.
We need to find
Time
T
of
value.
death.
T value we need to find. So, but they given theta value. They given theta value. We need to find T value. So substitute theta value. Can we get the T value? Yes. For example, assume that it may be positive or negative value. For example, we got theta value is like this. Just for understanding purpose, I'm using a blue color. 20 minutes. It may be positive 20 or negative 20. Don't worry about it. It may be plus or minus, but if it is 20 minutes, from this 9:40 p.m., you reduce 20 minutes. What will get? Just for example, I am saying it will be 9:20 p.m. Okay. What is the time of death? 9:20 p.m. For example, if we got plus 20 also same. If we got minus 20 or plus 20 minutes, then what we have to do? We have to reduce 2 hours from this 9:40. So if we reduce 120 minutes, then what we are going to get? The time of death will be 7:40 p.m. Is it, can we guess it is the exact value of the time of death? That we cannot identify. That is only we are doing here. It is we are doing only what they're asking. Find the estimated time of death. Okay. So I hope you people understood the concept. Any doubts are there, then you can ask. So complete this problem. That is for your choice. I am leaving it.